Have you ever wondered how a massive company with thousands of employees keeps every single one of their computers secure and up to date? Well, it's not magic, but it is a really clever bit of technology that acts like an invisible engine for the modern workplace. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain on something called a desktop pool. Okay, let's just dive right in. I want you to really picture this. A company with 10,000 employees. That means 10,000 different computers. Every single one needs software, security updates, tech support. Just thinking about the logistics is enough to give you a headache. It's a massive, massive challenge. And for a long time, it was a total logistical nightmare.
And you know what? That logistical nightmare, it actually has a name in the IT world. It's called the 1,000 desktop headache. And yeah, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. A constant, chaotic battle for control.
I mean, just think about the chaos for a minute. You've got constant security patches you have to push out to every single machine. A new piece of software needs to be installed, like yesterday. A laptop's hard drive suddenly dies. A new employee starts on Monday and they need a perfectly set up computer right now. Trying to manage all of that for thousands of individual machines, it's a monumental, never-ending task. But what if you could change the entire approach? What if you could stop treating every computer like it's this unique, high-maintenance project and instead start treating them more like items in, well, a vending machine?
Okay, so here's the official technical definition for you. A desktop pool is a managed collection of identical, virtual, or physical machines provisioned centrally for end users. Yeah, I know, it's a bit of a mouthful, but the two words you really want to hang on to there are identical and central.
Let's just make that simple. This technology is, for all intents and purposes, a high-tech vending machine for desktops. An employee needs a computer to do their job. They just walk up to the virtual machine, press a button, and bam! Instantly, a perfect, secure, ready-to-use desktop is delivered right to them, every single time.
All right, so this whole vending machine idea sounds pretty cool, right? But you're probably asking, well, how do you stock the machine? Where do all of these perfect desktops even come from? Let's get into how these pools are actually made.
So there are two main ways you can fill the machine. On one side, you've got automated pools. This is the really powerful method. Think of it like having a tiny factory inside the vending machine that just creates a fresh, identical desktop from a master template every time one is needed. On the other side, you've got manual pools. This is more like taking a group of computers that already exist, virtual or physical, and just organizing them into the machine so they can be handed out efficiently.
Now, the secret sauce for that whole automated method is something called the golden image. This is the master recipe. It's a perfect, pristine template of a desktop that has the right operating system, all the approved software, and the latest security settings. This one golden image is the single source of truth for every single desktop in the pool.
So how does that master recipe get turned into a ready-to-use desktop? Through a really cool technology called instant clones. The system takes a running parent machine made from that golden image, and then it just rapidly spins up identical copies. The real magic here is that these clones share resources with the parent, which makes them incredibly lightweight and unbelievably fast to create. The result is ultra-fast, efficient desktop delivery on demand.
So the vending machine is fully stocked with all these instant desktops. Now let's flip it around. From the user's perspective, how do you get one? Is it just a random grab-and-go deal, or do you have one with your name on it?
Well, it works in two ways. With a floating assignment, it's kind of like getting any snack from the same row in the machine. Every time you log in, you get a random, perfectly clean desktop from the pool. When you log out, it gets wiped and returned to the pool for the next person. On the other hand, a dedicated assignment is like having a specific snack in that machine that's reserved just for you. Every time you log in, you get the exact same virtual desktop, and any changes you made are saved there for your next session.
And you know what the best part is? Employees don't even need to be in an office to use this virtual vending machine. They just use a simple application on their own device, and this lets them access their secure work desktop from their laptop at home, a tablet at an airport, pretty much any device that has an internet connection.
So, we've covered the what and the how. But now it's time to step back and ask the most important question of all. So what? Why go through all this trouble? Why does this technology really truly matter?
Well, it all comes back to that 1,000 desktop headache we started with. This technology solves it. Management becomes centralized. To push a security update, you just update that one golden image and thousands of desktops are instantly secure. Security is massively enhanced because everything's controlled from one place.
And for the user, the delivery is optimized. They get a fast, reliable, and consistent desktop experience no matter where they are.
And this leaves us with one final big-picture question to chew on. If your entire secure workspace can be delivered instantly to any screen you happen to be in front of, what does the word Office really even mean anymore?